Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Land O'Lakes, a new development, and we are going to put a floor into this two-car garage. We are not doing baseboards, but we are going to sand and fill the expansion joints. And then once we open up this cap, we'll see if there's any additional repairs that need to be done. So we are going to go in and clean up these edges and clean up behind the hot water heater. So really the only issue that we see so far is the condition of the lip or the lead-in edge. The builder actually left the apron pretty clean. That's unusual. We're going to go in here. And we are going to, once we get this ground back and round it over, we're going to go in and fix all these voids, which are really along almost the whole edge. So let's get started. Okay, just a quick segment. Here's our expansion joints filled. There's a couple little repairs. Removed all that additional material from the corners, but more importantly, this is where we really did a lot of repairs along the edge and filled all those voids. Okay, here we are, all finished up with our two-car. So we're at Land O'Lakes today, Connerton. So we filled the expansion joints. We ground off a lot of excess material along the walls, including paint and mortar from the construction. Detailed in around the hot water heater. Now this customer did not want baseboards. So we did fill in the expansion joints for that nice seamless look. A few little repairs here and there, but really the big repair was along that lead-in edge. It really took a lot of grinding and a lot of material to fill in those voids. So this is the full chip, Polyspartic top coat, full grinding, written lifetime warranty. And this color is Dolphin. And here's that lead-in edge. This is the original condition of the lead-in edge. As you can see, it is very rough, weak, and there are many voids along the entire surface. This new construction edge is in worse shape than most, but is not too far from typical. Here is the edge after prep and repairs. As you can see, we are down to white concrete and the voids along the entire riser have been filled. The edge was made straight and rounded over. This is the most vulnerable part of the installation and must be right before proceeding with the rest of the installation. This is the part of the garage where the tires of your vehicle hit the surface and support the entire weight of your vehicle. The rough part of the compound still needs to be repaired and smoothed at this point. There is also gray duct tape on the apron to create a clean edge. Here is the final result. A much better appearance, but more importantly, a very strong, rounded over surface. It had a lot of voids that we filled. Ground a lot of it back, filled the voids, and gave it a really nice round over. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.